She's the love of my life.
I went in the ice in 45 right after I met the love of my life.
My high school sweetheart. Love of my life.
This was done to me by the love of my life. It seems that what we had was not meant to be.
Why are you going to throw that all away?
Going to Harvard is the only way I'm going to get the love of my life back.
She is the love of my life! The blood in my veins! We belong together!
Your mom was the only woman for me. She was the love of my life.
Look at this face! I have a little girl at home, love of my life. I would do anything for her.
Don't I know you?
Oh, that's for murdering the love of my life!
Who the? She's talking about me!
It's out of my hands, señorita. The winds of fate have blown on my destiny, but I will never forget you. You are the love of my life.
I lost the love of my life. And you lost your mother.
And I will miss her every day of my life.
Carrie Bradshaw. Love of my life. Will you marry me?
She was the total package. Smart, beautiful, tremendous appetite. She was the love of my life.
I came here to stop you fellas from hurting this diner, which the love of my life just happens to own. So if it's gotta get ugly, I'll give you ugly.
I'm 35 years old and I'm going nowhere. All I do is smoke pot, watch movies with a teddy fucking bear. Because of that, I just lost the love of my life.
Johnny, I'm sorry.
I gotta be on my own, Ted. I can't see you anymore.
So here's to Kathy, love of my life, mate of my soul, mother of my lovely children. Kathy.
You will always be the love of my life.